Hello everyone, I am your drawing teacher Rihanna Merchant. Today we are going to learn flag hosting. See, 15 August is coming. See, now you do first with the ruler, do lines like this. Then you do stand niche down. Like a ladder. Then you do here a circle. Then you do pointed part like this. See. Okay. Now we'll do flag. See, first what you do, to little go down, then you do like the curve. Then first you do here up and down like a wave, and same way up and down, same way, and join this line properly. And again same way you do up and down, and do circle, Ashok Chakra. Then here it is a thread, dory, whatever. Okay. And this chakra you do like this. Draw, always use light pencil. See. Now you do face of the girl. Do little like this. Then you do like this. Understand? See, then you do this face, eyes, nose, lips. Okay. Then she is a girl, so do ponytail. Here also ponytail. Then draw neck, V, then collar. See, this is the shoulder. Then you do like this and like this. Understand? And then you take this, and this is the sleeves, and here you take like this. Do this part, hand. Same way you do boy also. See what I am doing it. Same. See, here also, here also. And then you do neck and do V, collar. Same way you do this boy also. Do here like this, thumb and hand. See. Now same way here you do go down. Here also waistline. Then you do this frock. Do thumb and this. Okay. Same way boy, you do like this, and you come out down, thumb and hand and sleeves. Okay. This is the pant. Do like this. Okay. Now we'll do legs. See here. This part little broad. Then you do like this curve, socks. Then see, shoes, how to draw shoes. See, little you do like this, standing line, and then curve and join. Same way, ulta, opposite side. See, standing line, slant line, then you join line, slipping line, and then you do curve. See, boy also legs you do like this, socks, see now standing line, slipping, and then slant, and then curve. See, opposite side also same, and do eyes and all. Okay, now we'll do sketch pen. See, I done sketch pen. See, it is a sketch pen. See, I done coloring. See properly. See flag, and then our school uniform, yellow, blue. Okay, do it like this.